Hello and welcome back to my channel. At the end of this video, you should be able to define prepayments and accruals, give examples of prepayments and accruals, and be able to make adjustments for prepayments and accruals in financial statements. Meet Ben. Ben owns a bakery that sells birthday cakes. Ben has expenses that he had to pay for in the previous accounting period, but paid them in the current accounting period. These are known as accruals. Ben also has items that he had to pay for in the next accounting period, but paid them in the current accounting period. These are known as prepayments. Examples of accruals are accrued rent, wages or salaries owing, accrued utilities, and commission owing. Examples of prepayments are prepaid rent, prepaid salaries or wages, and prepaid utilities. This is how to adjust for accruals in the financial statements. In the income statement, an accrual is added to the relevant expense of the current period. In the statement of financial position, an accrual is a current liability. Here is an example of how to make adjusting entries of accruals in the financial statements. The entry or transaction to be adjusted is found under Additional Information. Ben owed rent worth $50. In the income statement, the rent accrued or the rent that Ben owes is added to the rent expense for the current period. As you can see, the rent expense is $500, and the $50 which Ben owed from the previous accounting period is added to $500 to give $550. In the statement of financial position, the rent owing is a current liability. Moving on to prepayments. To make adjusting entries for prepayments, in the income statement, a prepayment is subtracted from the relevant expense of the current period. In the statement of financial position, a prepayment is a current asset. Here is an example of a transaction that needs to be adjusted. Ben paid rent in advance worth $10. In the income statement, the prepaid rent is subtracted from the rent expense of the current financial period. The 10 is subtracted from the 500 to give $490. In the statement of financial position, the prepaid rent is put under current assets. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and leave a thumbs up because this helps me to make more videos for you.